I like the idea of, you see what that battle did, especially for Cindy, is it reminded people of her talent, her greatness, you know. But in the same spirit, during the campaign, the trolls for social media, and because they are women, I kind of felt for them. I don't know how they handle that, because it's a lot of pressure. So, but I'm sure that
Juliana and Irene. But batuterewo battle.
Well, that's not my cup of tea.
Okay.
Because in my view, a battle means there's something you still have to prove.
Okay.
And I don't think why don't we just celebrate each other?
Okay.
Why does it have to be battle? But like I said, why not you?
Okay. Hey Juliana, if it's not a battle now, we have to celebrate the two of you.
Celebration is always a good thing. Yeah, celebration is always a good thing, and there's so many ways we can celebrate music and musicians without the negative vibes that we add to it. Katinze, my issue is where people start to insult. Wakati chibawo bafani beyawula. Omwali eno bafani ono bayuza ono bano bayuza oli. Kati personally I find that toxic. Nenga, if it's about celebration of music, a night of celebration of music, and we're celebrating Ugandan divas, oh my God, I'd love to be a part of that.
Part of that.
Yeah,
Seeing Juliana and Irene on the stage.
And Irene and other women.
Auntie, we're saying this because you people have been an item before, and
because you've been what?
Like we've been singing together. Item is kind of weirdly okay, singing together. But what about staging on the Mutuayo show?
Yeah, why not? I mean, yeah.
Mana. Obula abula tukutegera olumu.
Ndere munange. Nsirika nnyo. Sisirika nti sisinyumya n'abantu naye nsirika mu public.
Understand. How far with our album?
Enaatera okuggwa. Oh, finally. Luddewo ko. Naye enaatera kati.
Enaatera.
Finishing.
Because twatumanyi buli mwaka nga gutandika album efulumi.
I know. No, it was even over last year.
Yeah. Last year.
Things changed. Everyone mukola olusi n'olyanga olukyagala okyusa. Wakyagala okujjamu completely. Music is unpredictable. Oyinza oyingira mu studio ng'olina vibe gy'owulira. Ate mumala okukola n'olyanga vibe watedde. It's but you know the thing with me, bwe mba nkola saagala kupapa. Saagala nkola ekintu ekirungi. And with music you have to give it time until you're satisfied.
So should we sleep conscious guno mwaka nga tegulina gwako otusulamu album oba one of the singles ku album?
Bwensuubira. Ontadde ku gundi. Why are you making me promise things?
It's because last year
I'll communicate the dates once I'm sure that now we're good.
And when we did the interview and everyone were like, mwakola interview mchala yatugamba kunye fuluma tetugira.
I shouldn't have said anything.
And it's been a while. Okay. Kila na tuli mu industry right now, we begin a mass of it. We have the WUMA, we have the federation, and we have a committee. We have a this place, this place. What happened?
No, obuzibu obwaliwo schedule yange yali ate positions ezo ezimu bwe banga ogenda zitwala, you need to be sure nti ojja kubeera otusaako nkwasaganya bulungi, so nengamba nti ekintu kyange mukiwumula.
given a positioning that was also kwebuzaako, like giving a call?
No, they did. We actually tried. Twasooka ntukigezaako. Naye after some time nendaba nga obudde bunnemesezza okwasaganya. Yeah, so nengamba kambeere wa mazima. Nzibuddeko omuntu ali available asobola okukikola. So okubeerawo all the time. Kuba meetings zibeerayo nnyingi. Yeah.
Oba is it cause abantu abasinga you okuvaamu n'ogamba muno nti ki ebimu ku bantu like the public olaba ne Juliana yabeesambye, olaba gundi yabeesambye, olaba gundi yabeesambye, like it's kind of character crisis. No, like the public yo yekiraba nti kind of created crisis in the public abagamba olaba nawe wabeesambye.
No, nze kyali kyabudde.
How do you see the federation right now with the Vietnam propaganda muscle? How do you see the federation?
Ogendayo naye nze okusinziira ku kyendaba ndaba bakola honestly ndaba bakola nze ndowooza tubawe chance okitegeera nze mbadde ndudde okulaba okuggyako mbadde ndudde okulaba abayimbi nga beegasse over time ne babeerawo ne bawangala nga bakyaliawo. Because usually we're very, very jumpy people. You know? So it's impressive. So let's give them a chance to do.
Then their clash with Uma.
Engage them at the cigarette and clash.
Okay. We have a growth mu bakyala recently tubadde ne battle ya Cindy ne Shiba. How did you see it?
It was interesting to watch.
Tewalabika.
Sadly, but it was interesting to watch. I love both of them, and omanyi kati buli omu alina engeri gy'alabamu ebintu. I like the idea of, you see what that battle did, especially for Cindy, is it reminded people of her talent, her greatness, you know. But in the same spirit, during the campaign, the trolls for social media, and because they are women, kind of felt for them. I don't know how they handle that because it's a lot of pressure. But again, bantu bakulu wesalirawo kyoyagala, so but I'm sure bagiyingira bamanye ebigenda okujja. But musically it was interesting to watch. Any competition is always fun to watch, right? But all in all, I see two strong women, you know, who are doing great for themselves.
Okay. In the artistic point of view, how did you see this battle? Was it healthy? Was it helping the industry?
It does, minus the exchanges that were going on. Yeah. Pastor Twagen and Bigamba, I'm not sure what we're, you know, sending to the younger artists. However, it's a battle, right? So you expect yeah, so there's many ways to look at it, but at the end of the day, it's a business, and people went back on their accounts smiling, and there's nothing better than that.
As this matter was going on, memes started coming out. People started bringing suggestions into Juliana and Irene. But to tell you battle.
Well, that's not my cup of tea.
Okay.
Because in my view, a battle means there's something you still have to prove. Okay. And I don't think. Why don't we just celebrate each other?
Okay.
Why does it? But like I said, why you need to call
Okay. Hey, Juliana, if it's not a Batonga, we have to celebrate the two of you.
Celebration is always a good thing. Yeah, celebration is always a good thing. And there's so many ways we can celebrate music and musicians without the negative vibes that we add to it. Katinze, my issue is where people start to insult. Wakati chibao bafani be yaula. Omwali eno, bafani ono bayizo ono, bano bayizo oli. Kati, personally I find that toxic. Which take it. Nenga, if it's about celebration of music, a night of celebration of music, and we're celebrating Ugandan divas, oh my God, I'd love to be a part of that.
Part of that.
Yeah,
Seeing Juliana and Irene on the stage.
And Irene and other women. Which take it.
Auntie, we're saying this because you people have been an item before, and
Because you've been what?
like we've been singing together. Item is kind of weird. Okay, singing together. But what about staging on the Mutuayo show?
Yeah, why not? I mean, yeah.
Yes, wadde ogedde ku kya bato naye waliwo era bato egenda okuba maaso awo y'abasajja ensajja eŋŋwaŋŋuli Bobby Cool ne Chameleon. Tulowooze nti gufuuse mugano emabega twalina Queen Shiba ne Cindy. This time round tugenda funa Chameleon ne Bobby Cool. Tugambe nti kati gufuuse mugano.
Simanyi, I don't know. Nange ndaba bulala mawulire atembu waliyo ekintu kyali kijja, so I don't know, maybe people are jumping on it because it's a money maker if you think about it from the business side. It is a money maker. So if you're looking to make money, yes, abantu bakyagadde bukyabakoledde. Yeah, so if the guys want to do it, yabagana. Yeah.
Nena wakubuzeeko nnyo
kambuzeeko kimu mukyalo byona abantu bagamba nti omu ku bakyala basinga okuyimba abalina eddoboozi eddungi twagala otwawule wakati wa talent n'omuntu gwe bayita survival yeeyo obweyiyanga mu industry
ebintu bye tubireke mujja kundeetera ebizibu. Buli omu alina ekintu kati kamba buli in entertainment waliwo kye bayita X factor. And X factor can be anything, not necessarily a voice. Naye ng'omuntu bw'ajja alina ekintu tokitegeera, you can't even describe it with words. Naye nga they just tokitegeera. But some people have that. And it doesn't make them less valuable than the other one because the other has a better voice or a singing voice. Buli omu abeera alina kyaleeta on the table. Which is why in a way ekintu kya battle sometimes nze kinzibwala okutegeera because on what base are you using to send your nursing on? Do you get? Ng'ogyeko kale talent. What base? Because oli ajja kujja ku stage and maybe they have when they dance they're amazing. Okiraba? Oli najja ku stage nga bw'ayimba wakabi nnyo. So but like I said, it's a business. It's entertainment, it's a business. Vinyuma, that's it.
Ngatuwonzeka. Osuubira nti music industry ekuze.
Music industry ekuze naye kyetaaga okulamu. I still feel, and this is for all of us, I feel like tetunaba making a new mark continent. You know, and I don't know what the problem is. There can be many things combined, but for me it would be my dream. It may not even be me, but I'd love to see at least like 5 Ugandans in African charts at the same time. You know.
Okay, we're making 61 years independence. Yeah, you've mentioned this, and it came in my mind. If you look at South Africans penetrating the agenda to the world. Nigeria producing many Mugoloza ffe bwawe tukyalakingamuko as Ugandan artists onafe okugenda deep to the other side bano gye bagenda kuba otulya bali every year every month obeera wakuba ebyo ebisaawe ebinene.
Many things naye bwotunira just systems zaabwe zitambula. They were set up many years ago, like bwotunira South Africa, the time of the Ibon Chakachakas, when tukyali bwana buto baali mu industry ng'eryorganized. So they have record labels, they get signed, and then they have proper management, and then they have music wabwe ngali, you know, nga there's webamutundira ng'olabawo, you know. Of course, the world of social media. So, I see this was from what tapes of achi. Nga amaduka wegali. Unprofessionalism in the industry itself until you find that a producer actually went to school and studied it. You know, nga yasoma music. You know, there's a difference between being talented and actually going and studying music. There's people I've interacted with on the continent. Some of them are producers, some of them are songwriters. I think their understanding of music is so wide. For our case, success here is mostly based on talent alone. So to know we have to expose ourselves and we have to learn to work with other people. I'm very comfortable in Uganda because I think it was like a blessing in disguise. Why Ugandans were supporting me. By the way, that's one thing we need to be proud of. Other African countries, never gonna want to compete Kenya. But artists were struggling with Colosseum. I don't know what's cheap. They don't make money the way we do. So because I think we became comfortable. You know? Feeling maybe we don't need to be more aggressive, more ambitious. When the wars, I think we became comfortable. So, they go all out. They take all chances, and they're aggressive. Nigeria are aggressive. They will sell their music and push it and push it. It means flying to the US and, you know. No Swama, DJ Khaled, guy Oyomu $500,000 just feature. I mean, they will do that stuff. So I think if it's really a bit relaxed,
independence.
Happy independence, Ugandans. Work hard.
Kubawonyawo
naddala abayimbi nanti muna ebyo bavaayo mawulire.
Yeah, but that does not mean to the majority.
Bruno K. Tomuli.